Whatever husband wants, husband what?
Husband gets.
He insists on napping in his Spider-Man shoes, so Spider-Man shoes it is. Nap time.
I love Pasayan.
Pasayan, Spider-Man, not Pasayan. Spider-Man. Alright, nap, okay? Later. Love you. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, it is Sunday. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. It was raining all day, all morning, so I decided not to venture out to go to church. And babe is also not feeling so well.
Not good at all. It's not so well. It's not good at all. Hold on. Hi guys, yeah, not feeling very good. It's just not healthy, but it's my back hurting me since yesterday and really hurting me bad. So yeah, just make me not moving a lot. So
right.
Yeah, it's best today to
rest out.
To rest and be ready for next week. So hopefully feel better. It's already better than yesterday. It's already yesterday.
Yeah, because I rubbed some Voltaren on it last night, and I'm gonna rub some more on it tonight again, and let him buy some more at the pharmacy. That way I can use it, because I know the Voltaren will really help. Tyler is actually sleeping right now, taking a nap. We just finished filming a interracial couple tag, so hopefully you guys will go ahead and watch that video if you guys haven't seen it. It would have been up like 2 days prior to this vlog. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. I didn't work out this morning. It's Sunday, so I'm resting. I'm not killing myself today at all. We're in the kitchen right now, and I actually wake up this morning. I gave babe a haircut, I give Tyler a bath, put him down for a nap, and we are going to make lunch right now, which is going to be some smoked salmon right here. And I think we're just going to have this with some toast, and that's what's gonna be for lunch with a little fruits. Because it's been so cloudy all day, you guys. The sunset is just peeking over the corner, And it's looking so beautiful out, even though it's just a little line that you're seeing. So that's what it's looking like right now. So beautiful. And it's just after 5 p.m. It's not even 5:30 just yet, and it's dark all over the city. So beautiful. Making dinner for the fam bam, and out of nowhere last week my husband mentioned something that he really liked to eat, and lo and behold I found out exactly what it is, and all my Jamaican will be surprised to know that one of our Jamaican tradition that Jamaicans love, but I'm not a fan of, especially the older folks Jamaicans love turn cornmeal. And I didn't know that babe know about turn cornmeal. Obviously something that they love eating in France. They call it what, babe?
Polenta.
Polenta. So babe decided, you want turn cornmeal for dinner tonight? So that's what your girl is making for him. So that's what I'm attempting to make for him. I'm not a big fan of turn cornmeal, though I can make it. I'm not a big fan of it. Husband wants it, wife makes it. Ha! Right, babe?
That sounds good.
Huh?
That sounds good.
Husband wants it, wife makes it. Yes. Whatever husband wants, husband what?
Husband gets.
Husband gets. You guys, turn cornmeal in effect. Mix, man, get in it, mix. Alright guys, babe, turn cornmeal start to come together, and we're having turkey over here that is going to go with dinner, which is overcooking, just about ready right now. Alright you guys, dinner is ready, and this is what dinner looks like tonight. Tyler got mashed potatoes, turkey, corn, which he already started eating, not corn, carrot, which he ate half of already, corn. That's mine, and that's babe. Turn cornmeal, turkey, carrot, corn, broccoli, pak choy, and carrot, and turkey for me. Dinner, the Delaveau, Dunzo. My commis chef, assistant.
Oh,
good job, babe.
Yeah, I did a lot of melting today.
Mixing.
Mixing.
Ready to eat?
I'm ready to eat.
You look ready.
Yeah.
All right, let go. Say bye. Say, say bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow. kisses. All right.
Hi guys. I was.
You guys, we're coming on to give you the Jamaican and French expression words of the day, and the Jamaican expression for today is "me can tan you." If you hear a Jamaican say "me can tan you," that simply means they can't stand you, they don't like you, they don't like your attitude, and they like nothing about you.
Oh,
Okay?
that's why you always tell me.
Yes, we can tan you.
We can tan you.
No.
Can.
Can't.
We can't.
Right.
We can tan you.
Yes.
You know?
We can we can tan you, you know. Right. So that's Jamaican expression of today.
Before to say the French expression, I wanted to know if she did a good job.
Hey, don't I always do a good job?
They are the judge.
Alright, you guys comment down below and tell me if I did a good job and being here today. Babe, what's the French expression for today?
Appeler un chat.
You love cats. Jesus Christ.
The expression with the cat are so funny.
Listen, this man love cats.
Appeler un chat. Simply mean to say things straight. For example, you
call a cat a cat. Call a cow a cow.
A cat.
Right, we have that in English.
So in English is what? To call a cow a cow?
I think you can use anything. To call a dog a dog. To call a cat a cat.
In French we say to call a cat a cat.
Okay.
If you have a conversation with somebody and they say
I think in English we say to call a spade a spade.
Okay, I don't know what is a spade. But
I'll explain to you after.
Yeah, so say it. Appeler un chat.
Appeler un chat a chat.
Un chat.
Okay, appeler un chat.
Right.
To call a cat a cat. Okay.
Yeah.
So
if I want to say that you're mean and you're just like a
clown, hookah.
Like a clown. I'm not gonna say, baby, I don't like your clothes today.
You're just gonna tell me
color.
straight.
I was gonna say you're just like a clown.
Alright. Like a hookah.
Like a hookah.
Alright, you guys. So there you guys have the Jamaican and French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys. Of course, Tyler is long off to bed and we're going to do the very same. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We love you guys. Comment down below, catch up and keep up. If it's your first time, don't forget to
subscribe.
Yes, and
turn on the bell.
Yes.
And yeah.
Alright, you guys, catch up and keep up. We love you and we'll see you guys
tomorrow.